Here's a quick look at the upgraded Ultrasonic Retainer Cleaner. It uses 45 kilohertz ultrasonic waves to help loosen buildup from small crevices that are hard to reach with a regular toothbrush. So you can use this for your retainer, use it for dentures, you can use it for your toothbrush. So it's a 200 milliliter tank. So it's a good size for all sorts of things like night guards and all that. So one thing, it does have these toothbrush holes or slots so you can put your toothbrush head in. To be careful, as you can see there, that one does not fit in there. So this one will, which is nice. So you can pop it in there. You put the water in the interior. I'll show you how to do that. It's pretty straightforward. You add water to the tank. It has a max little mark on there. It'll tell you how much water you need to add so you don't overfill. You put your item in there. Whether you put it in the actual chamber, like a retainer, or you put a toothbrush in there through the slot I was showing you. Then you just hit run. So there's a power button at the top there. So I'm going to put my toothbrush in the slot. You can fit up to 2, and it has a timer here already. So very easy, straightforward to use. You can see it's got that light in there that supposed to help kill bacteria and germs. You let it run on its own timer. It's pretty quiet. It'll just pulse the entire time. It doesn't require a whole lot of counter space. I would be careful with, if you're going to use stones or materials like jewelry. This is ultrasonic cleaning. So it's nice. It helps remove debris. It's a convenient option and makes it daily cleaning easy.